Today I'm in Austin, Texas, and behind me is a 640 square foot prefab home designed by Intexure Architecture. It's one bedroom, it's one bathroom, it's in use as a guest house, and it's got a modern look that a lot of people like. Let's have a look around. As I mentioned, this home is currently in use as an ADU or guest house and has some of the best views of Austin that I've ever seen. Granted, I've only been here for about 8 hours, so it's one of the only views of Austin that I've ever seen, but the statement stands. As I come around the front of the home, you can see they've got a deck built off the front, sliding glass door. They've got floor to ceiling windows, that is into the living room, and the exterior is finished with a combination of wood siding and what appears to be metal, but I'm not 100% sure on that, and I haven't touched it. So we will get to the bottom of that in just a second, but I do like the combo. They've got the exterior lights on the end, they've got one above the door, and I'm guessing there is going to be absolutely no shortage of natural light when I get inside this home. So looking at it as far as the floor plan goes, we've got living room, kitchen, guessing bathrooms in that section, and bedroom of course is on the end. So let's step inside and see what it's all about. Window in the door on the front, again, natural light is always a good thing, so I'm definitely a fan of that. I'm gonna lock the door behind me because there's a bit of a home tour going on today and it has been busy. So first thing you see when you come inside is that view that I was talking about through the sliding glass door on the end. And as I pan around this direction, first look at the living room. No TV, but they've got the TV mount right on there. And finally, we'll come back and get a look at the kitchen. Okay, I am a big fan of what I'm looking at right here. So they've got part of this peninsula for seating. You can seat 2 stools on that side, probably 2 on the other side as well. But look at this. They've got storage on both sides. So in a smaller footprint home, one of the things that people talk about quite often is storage or lack thereof. And they've taken this space and just added a little bit of extra where there might otherwise be nothing. So I'm a fan of that. Actually, look at this too. So they've got the window right at the end of the peninsula, and from a design perspective, that's just a really cool look. Now, coming around, similar to the outside, they've got the combination of the wood cabinets with the darker section right there. I'm gonna go around and have a closer look. So we've got the stove here, white backsplash, and we have got the side-by-side fridge with the bottom freezer, 2 drawers for the freezer. So there you go. Beside the fridge, in the black section of the cabinets, kind of a bit of a pantry section right here, which is great. Another door down below. Let's see what that's all about. So this is wide open. There's room for a shelf, didn't go with it. So kind of an appliance garage, maybe you might want to call that. And as I come around, we'll have a look at the inside of the island. More of the same, except on this side, they've got the dishwasher, whoops. And below the sink, look at this, big pull-out drawer. That's not something you see every day. So that's somewhere where you could put your garbage cans, stuff like that. Microwave in there as well, and like I said, they've got this open section that is perfect for bar stools. You get the best of both worlds. You get the extra storage, you get a place to sit and eat a meal, and another look at that window that is on the other side. So on either side of the stove, they've got drawers coming out, 2 that are the same size on the top, 1 deeper on the bottom. I'm guessing it's gonna be the same on the other side, so I'm not gonna open all those. And as I go up, I'm not even sure how these open. Oh, whoa, hang on, look at that. Look at this, so it's kind of a double, I don't even know, a double hinge system or a double door system, and that just kind of goes up like so. I'm not sure what the technical name for that style of door is. So if anyone knows, please put it in the comments. Same on this side. That's kind of cool. Now, heading down to the other side of the home, we've got light coming in through the door, kind of eliminating the closed off feel of any hallway, and we will arrive into the bathroom. Like I said, this is one bedroom, one bathroom. They've got the walk-in shower with a window up above. So it's tiled from floor to ceiling. They've got the shower head there on the wall, a light up top. From the shower, as I move back, you'll see the toilet, and we've got the vanity. Bonus right here, towel storage on the inside wall. So look at this. Okay, so any of your extra bathroom particulates can go tucked away into this cabinet right here. Out of sight, out of mind, but there when you need it. I like it. Now, from here, we're gonna head to the right into the main and only bedroom, okay? So as I come in, we will see a closet on this side, and we've got the sliding glass door out onto a little patio there. So let's have a look. I was hoping it would be in here, but I wasn't sure. Yes, there it is. We've got a spot for a stacking washer dryer in here. People would be upset if it wasn't in the home, and that, I guess, is why they've taken care of it. A little bit of a built-in in here. Let's go to the other side. So hot water tank is located in this closet as well, and then they've got the built-ins right here. So if you've got stuff to hang, most people do, or fold, you don't have to worry about it because they have taken care of it with this built-in section right here. This is an entire laundry spot. So you can do your laundry. You don't have to take any steps. You hang it right there. Away you go. Now, let's look at this bedroom. So we have got what appears to be a double bed set up, staged in here, and the sliding glass door back out to the main home. So they got a little patio built here. There's the path. The driveway is up over there. So you park, walk down the path. You are in the guest house or ADU. I think it's only fair that we take one more look at the rest of this home. Living room on the front. Let's see what that looks like coming from this direction. Nice kitchen, very functional. Everything that I would need and more. We've got the living room right here. And again, we have got the sliding glass door off the front. I'm gonna duck outside and take in this view. Let's have a quick look, shall we? So, don't know much about Austin, but I know the views are quite nice from where I'm standing right now. Big fan of that. All right. That is pretty much it for this one. There you have it, folks, a 640 square foot prefab home designed by Intexure Architecture. One bedroom, one bathroom, and a modern look. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.